Valley High School, which is here in the Bay Area.
Hi, I'm Trina Mall.
I'm Michelle Koo.
I'm Lily Wynn.
And I'm Allison Koo.
And we're the Wildcat Watchers.
So the main problem that we notice in our community is that as societies become more technology-oriented, people have become more distant from one another. Because neighbors are not well acquainted with each other, citizens are uninformed about current and present community issues. Neighbors are not comfortable turning to each other for help, and they do not know how to report problems within their communities. From our survey, we found that 82% of people are not well acquainted with their neighbors. 66% claim their communities do not have any sort of community watch program, and 67% believe that a community watch app was necessary in their community. Our mission statement is Neighborhood is a community watch application that aims to connect users via a public network and informs members on how to share and respond to certain neighborhood situations.
So now I will introduce our app. The welcome screen has a login where users will input personal information and be grouped by zip code. The home screen has three buttons: Adventure Game, Forum, and Share. On the top left is a camera that links the phone's camera and saves images. On the top right is the panic button, which I will explain later. The community forum is a discussion board where users post where all members can see, or they can individually message other users. The forum screen is where you can access contacts and message them. All discussion posts display on the bottom box. The panic button enables direct contact with local authorities during emergency or necessary scenarios. The map displays GPS coordinates, and users can either text or message an image to local authorities such as the police or community center. And finally, our interactive game not only educates users about community safety, but also attracts a younger audience to the issue of public awareness. In Scenario 1, users will collect items for an emergency safety kit, and in Scenario 2, users will learn how to utilize a fire extinguisher. Other levels will incorporate more general tips, such as how to respond to a power outage.
For our competition, our main competitors are the Safe Neighborhood Watch app, Crime Watch, and the Neighborhood Mobile Watch app. Components of our competitors' apps include a map of where offenders live, a list of police reports, and a list of safety tips. What's unique about Neighborhood is that we have a like button to build user credibility that resembles Yahoo Answers likes. We also have an educational game to attract younger users, which is more beneficial than just listing safety tips. On our competitors' ratings, citizens have also complained about people posting irrelevant information, so we added a flag as spam button to prevent unimportant posts. We also added the option to choose specific contacts to message in case users do not want to inform the entire community. For our financial analysis, we will be employing the freemium business model. That is to offer a free basic version of Neighborhood and a 99-cent version. Our free version would include a discussion board, panic button, and a limited demo of our interactive game, while the premium version is an upgrade of the game. We estimate our revenue for the first year to be about $50,000. We will also donate a small percentage of our earnings to connected community organizations. Our market analysis is Neighborhood applies to a broad range of customers, consisting of anyone with an Android phone. Out of the 1 billion people on Earth with a smartphone, 40% own an Android. Neighborhood mainly targets adults, but intends to attract younger users with the educational game feature.
And now on to marketing. There's a share button located on the home screen that allows users to email, text, and tweet our app. We have a QR code that we will use to advertise at community events, schools, and homeowners associations. We will first conduct a one-city experiment, focusing on an urban area where crime and people are more concentrated, such as San Francisco. And from there, we will branch out. Our goals, we have short-term, bring Neighborhood to the market, release to urban areas, and build awareness. For our long-term goals, we want to dramatically increase the size and scope, build tight-knit communities, and increase community awareness. With Neighborhood, we can bring communities together, strengthen community awareness,
And together, we can build a better world for all. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I wondered what kind of input you got in your design from talking to public safety officials or others, police.
Well, we talked from an employee of AT&T, and they developed apps, and they thought our app was a great idea and that it was really important for our community to have an application like this.
And in our survey, the majority said that their community did not have a community watch program, and they would like to have one implemented, and they said that this would be a good idea.
So following up on that, to have an effective community watch system, everyone would have to have the app. So how do you encourage everyone in the neighborhood to buy the app, get the app, and adopt it as the tool to use.
So we will be advertising at community events, libraries, and because these people in public, and
We will also create a QR code to print on these advertisements. We also want to start in one city first, like how Mark Zuckerberg started his Facebook at one college and then expand. And we also want to put it at police stations, fire departments, libraries, community centers, etc.
What are some of the competitors in this space? Have you tested any of the other applications that are
Yes, we
happening?
actually bought our competitors, and theirs was just mainly a list of safety tips. And then another one of our competitors was a map of where offenders live, and then another one was just a list of police reports. So what's different about ours is we actually have a forum, so users can connect to each other. We also have the panic button, so users can take a picture, send it to police officials, send their GPS location, and it can also be used for everyday uses, like if they see a traffic light went out, they can send it to the city.
I would also like to add that a common complaint for our competitors was that people were posting useless things on their public forums, so that's why we created a spam and like button so we could filter out comments and build user credibility.
Thank you, ladies.
Thank you.